Hi. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. So what are we talking about?
I guess that.
Okay, talk about the painting.
Okay guys, we just want to give you an update here. We'll show you around a little bit, show you what we've been up to the last few days. Last week actually. You see we've got a new ceiling fan in. We've got walls painted. There was a delay in getting the carpet laid. It was supposed to have been in last Thursday, but now it's going to be Wednesday, which was good because it gave us a little bit more time to focus on getting the walls painted. And I've got a time lapse I'll show you.
I got something I gotta tell you, so get ready for another breakthrough. So let me show you what I mean. Cause what I got is the new thing. Listen up, I'm gonna say it all right now. Cause I just gotta let you know it's better than ever. Have you heard the word? It's better than ever. Tell the world, spread the word. You ain't seen nothing yet, it's true what you heard. It's better than ever. Cause you ain't ever seen what you about to see. Better than ever, better than ever. Yeah, better than ever, better than ever. Yeah, it's more than anything I've dreamed of. I'm floating high on this love.
I'll give you a quick walk around and kind of show you some of the things we've got done. We've got most of the light fixtures in now. We've got matching ceiling fans in all the bedrooms. Only one light fixture left to do. We've actually got ones up over the counters here. Of course, we showed you that one before. Still got that one right there to do. I'll probably get that in tonight. And we're actually going to start refinishing these cabinets too. We've got all the closets completely painted inside, flat white, because whoever lived here before left their monsters color all through the closets and paint pictures on them. But we've got the hallway all nice and painted here. Doorbell, we just freshened that up. Again, it was one of those nice
Brass and beige plastic.
and so we kind of gave that an updating without having to buy a new one. We got new light fixtures here in the hallway that match now. And we've got, ta-da, I don't know if you can see it with the window. The window may be blowing it out there. I have to show it to you at night. But we got the new chandelier hanging over the foyer, which was a booger, considering that's a 20-foot foyer. We've got the whole foyer painted. Got everything swept, cleaned up, ready for carpet. Say hi, Kimberly.
Hi, Kimberly.
Remember, Kimberly painted the vents and made them look like new. And of course the ceiling guys, they got all that ceiling finished. I think we showed you that last time, but now we got all the vents back in. So it's finally, instead of deconstruction phase, we are actually putting some things back together and getting some things done finally.
We're finally making it look pretty again. We have carpet.
Yay! We finally got the carpet installed today. There was a little delay from last week and got it moved to this week, but they showed up about 10 o'clock this morning and it was done around 4, 5-ish, something like that. But got it in all the bedrooms, upstairs.
No more sheetrock dust on the floor, no more subfloor. Now we have nice, soft, cushy carpet.
So it feels like it's finally starting to come together, guys. Carpet, I know a lot of people are all into hard surface, and it will be hard surface mostly downstairs and a lot of other places, bathrooms, kitchen, all that. But carpet is such a wonderful sound deadening material, especially since most of the bedrooms are upstairs here. That way when you got people tromping around and everything, it just does such a great job of deadening the sound so you don't get all that noise downstairs.
And it feels great when you get out of bed and your feet touch something warm and fluffy instead of something cold.
I just kind of want to show you what we was doing with our bathroom cabinets here. I mentioned in a previous episode that we was going to refinish these cabinets because they're structurally in good shape. They just kind of beat up over the edges. I want to show you one here that I'm just now getting ready to prep. Kind of show you what we're doing, and I'll show you one that I did yesterday. So this cabinet here, I just got all the doors and drawers and everything took out of it. And you can kind of, I'm hoping it shows up on the camera here. You can kind of see the rough edges here on the cabinet where it's just been worn over the years. Paint's flaking off, especially here. So, but again, you know, structurally it's good and solid. It's just had a rough life. So let me show you the one I did yesterday now. So this one is just as bad, if not worse shape than the one I just showed you. And you see now it's got a nice glossy finish to it, and it looks like brand new. I've got the doors and drawers out in the garage. We'll actually spray them with the sprayer just because it gives it a little more even coat and don't have to worry about brush marks and roller marks, and just tends to give it a little bit better finish. So to pull that off, we're using this primer and sealer here, and it's multi-purpose, but we upon research, it works really well in cabinets, so you don't have to worry about trying to sand the whole cabinet down and trying to get it perfect. This kind of makes the paint adhere, and so that way you don't get any flaking or anything afterwards. And here is the finished result after getting all the cabinets back together after painting. Looks like a brand new cabinet, new hardware. Painted the hinges, looks pretty sharp. And here's the second bathroom we did with all new hardware after finish up painting the cabinet there. And to her own admission, while I'm in there filming videos and working on these cabinets, Kimberly's in here laying down on the job. Actually, she's touched that trim where we had the carpet laid. Because, you know, carpet's got a real rough backing on it. And so, you know, you have some bumps and bruises whenever they're laying carpet. And so she's getting all those touch-ups made for us tonight. Just kind of want to give you guys a rough estimate. I mean, I know we told you we're trying to do this flip on a budget. You know, we've actually kind of decided to turn it into a rental now, but still, you still got to rehab it. And so, you know, we've kind of went over some things and what all we're doing. The big one is the paint. This interior paint. I know we've showed you a time lapse of us painting this big master bedroom, and the video of the room makes it look long and narrow. It's really not. It's huge.
This master bedroom is actually 18 feet by 24 feet, so it is a very large master bedroom.
I'm jealous of it. It's bigger than my own master bedroom at my own home down the street here. But anyways, we did all the painting ourselves, and I'll be honest with you, I hate painting.
But I love to paint.
And she's really good at it. I mean, she does a wonderful job. She's painted every property we've had so far. But we did get an estimate on some painters to come in and paint, and the estimates range from, you know, $1.35 square foot to $1.50 a square foot. And so this house is 3,000 square feet. So
do the math.
$1.50 square foot, you're talking about around $4,500 to paint this house. That's just interior. That is not exterior paint. That is interior only.
And usually that cost does not include the paint. That price is with you providing the paint.
And so, you know, just on painting these walls alone, we'll just say $4,500. So that could be a big budget buster if you don't calculate that in, if you've got to hire that out. But again, if you're any handy at all, you know, painting's not that hard. It just takes time and patience, which I don't have, but she does. And so again, you know, just another pointer there. You know, if you're trying to get started, if you're trying to do your first rental property, you know, there's a lot of things you can do yourself that'll save you tons of money, so that you can get in that first property and start getting that
For sure.
that rental income coming in every month.
And then you can take that extra money you save and go on vacation.
Or buy your next flip.
If you like our videos or you find anything interesting in them, don't forget to hit that like button, guys. That's what builds our page and lets us know what we can do to help you.
And hit subscribe if you'd like to see more. We'll be wrapping up this Percheron house over the next few weeks. Probably have a couple more episodes. We will do a recap, because what I'd like to do is at the end is give a breakdown of you know, kind of what our cost was on this rehab. Just kind of give you an idea of what you're in for if you got to do something like this. And we hope to be shooting our trailer before long, so you'll get to see our other spokes of what our roundabout life is. It's going to be a lot more than just home remodels and stuff like that. We've got some other stories to tell, some RVing, some places we vacation, And so we would just like to kind of share that. So we'll have some different episodes, cover some different things. It won't all be just about this. So hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date.
Stay tuned.